guys, so today, I'm so excited to share this video for you guys. I finally have the Colourette Shimmertints and super love the packaging. As always, it's color coded. Tapos yung shimmer tint na word reflective. So I think that's really nice. So I have my liquid foundation on. Hindi ko lang siya sinaset ng powder because ang experience ko talaga sa kahit anong Colourette na products, mahirap siya i-blend on top of powder. Like, I did powder underneath my eyes. So, yung blush ko today is actually the Colourette Zola. Yung iconic Zola nila. So, pagdating dito, medyo nahirapan na ako mag-blend kasi medyo na-touch na yung powder. So, ayun. So, hindi muna ako nagsiset para lang matest natin to. So, nung unang tong lumabas, to be honest, hindi ako masyado na-intriga. Tapos wala talagang planong bilhin. Kasi nung nakikita ko siya sa models, ang ganda ng itsura. The reason why I wasn't really like intrigued or gusto in the first place is because yung packaging nila. As much as I love Colourette like tints, medyo na-off talaga ako sa packaging nila. I'm not really a big fan of this applicator. And super intense kasi ng shades nila. So, you know, medyo, hindi naman sobrang bliss mag-dry. Pero pag once nag-dry na, tapos super intense pa naman yung color, medyo mahirap na siyang i-blend. But, other than that, I do love, like, Colourette products. Ang dami ko na nang na-try na products sa nila. Laging maganda yung feedback. And laging maganda sa akin yung products. So, I was only planning on buying one shade, which is yung Crystal Prism, which they describe as a neutral champagne shade. Kaso nung nakita ko tong yellow diamond sa model, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ang ganda. So, same with the Colourtints. They are 249 pesos, and they come in the same packaging, yung parang benefit na Benetint, yung pan nail polish. So, they have a net weight of 12 grams. My ingredients then, which is good. Well, yeah, naka-enclose yung ingredients. So this is not only like a highlight, it's something that you can mix in with your foundation. Hindi ko siya ginawa today because I have oily skin and I'm scared of mixing anything with glitters with my foundation. So, simulan natin yung shimmer tint. Love the packaging. So, this is Crystal Prism. As you guys could see, pareho siya doon sa Colourtint, same packaging. Tapos, ayan, nagsiseparate ng konti. Kasi minsan do, pag iniwan nyo to, nagsiseparate yung oil tsaka yung tint. And it says, pareho doon sa likod, shake me up real good, which is, meron din sa Colourtints nila. Yeah, so this one is Crystal Prism. Super excited ako dito. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari sa mukha ko. One yellow diamond, one Crystal Prism, because I really wanna test them out. May vanilla scent siya. Mas pure yung pagka-vanilla nito. So, isang dot lang yung gagawin ko. Then, I will spread it. You guys could see, very subtle lang siya. It says naman here, it's a subtle highlight. So, feeling ko mag-glass skin to. So, try natin i-layer. So, I'm gonna put a little bit more. So, ayan. This is Crystal Prism. Super ganda. I love it. Very subtle lang. So, that is Crystal Prism. Next, swatch natin si Yellow Diamond. Ito kasi noona, I don't really work well with like yellow toned na highlights. Pero tuwing nagsusuot ako ng yellow tone na highlight, dami akong nare-receive na compliment. So, ito yung Yellow Diamond, which to be honest, it looked a bit more like goldy yellow sa pictures. So, I like the fact that this one is still like a subtle yellow. So, i-shake lang natin. Yellow Diamond. Oh, straight up yellow, guys. So, I don't know if nakita, no? Ayan. Yellow Diamond Crystal Prism. Super ganda. Hindi siya super blinding, which I like. So, ayun. Ang dami ko ng blinding highlights. So, it's nice to have a more natural one. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kasi magkaiba sila. Okay, so I decided to use two different highlights. Wala akong pake. Kasi sa bahay lang naman ako, guys. So, yeah. So, wait lang. So, dito sa side na to, gagamitin ko is yung Crystal Prism. And like what I do with the Colourtints, hindi ko siya directly nilalagay sa aking face. So, nilalagay ko muna siya sa back of my hand para mas may control ako sa product. So, ayan. Again, I'll be using Crystal Prism on the right side, Yellow Diamond on the left side. So, whoa! Okay. So, this is without the highlight. This is with the highlight. Super subtle niya, guys. As in, like, the more that you put it on your skin, mas ano siya. Ito yung tunay na glass skin, guys. I'm in love. Walang shimmer at all. I mean, may shimmer, but it's super fine na halos parang nag-melt lang siya sa skin. I don't know if you guys will even see it. Pero super loving this. So this is Crystal Prism. If you're expecting like super blinding, hindi ito yon, but super love how subtle it is. So I'll be using Yellow Diamond. Okay, yun yung sinasabi ko kapag on top sila of powder. Na-touch kasi yung area na may powder. Hirap na siyang i-blend. Magki-create ng streaks. So, lagay lang natin konti. Okay, mas kita nyo yung Yellow Diamond compared to Crystal Prism. They're like, wait lang nga. But in person, like there, okay naman itsura niya. Pero yung pagka-yellow tone niya talaga, lumalabas talaga siya in person. So, I think I will stick to Crystal Prism, especially if you have the same skin tone as me. Pero as in, kahit super kita siya dyan, like in person, it's not like super blinding. Ayan. Yan, si Yellow Diamond. Ito, si Crystal Prism. So, right off the bat, I'm definitely loving Crystal Prism a little bit more. It melts into my skin better, and it works well with my skin tone better. Pero like for days na I want something like a yellow highlight, will love this. Yeah, I'll just powder my face. I will not powder the areas where I place the shimmer tints, and I'll get back to you guys. Hi guys, so I'm done with my makeup. So this is again Crystal Prism, and this is Yellow Gold. And I think because they're more on the subtle side, trinay kong like i-dot, like mag-tatlong dots dito gamit yung Crystal Prism, and it seems to do okay. Yeah, I didn't set it with anything. This is just the highlighter alone. For me, mas blinding yung Yellow Diamond. Yung Crystal Prism is like just more of like a very, very lit from within, which is perfect for an everyday look. I also use Crystal Prism sa gitna ng nose ko. Tapos tinap ko lang siya ng powder para medyo mabawasan yung glow niya. Tapos, gin-highlight ko rin yung inner corner ko. This again, Crystal Prism, and then Yellow Diamond, and also my brow bone. So far so good naman yung Colourette Shimmertints, but I do want to see how long they wear, especially walang powder on top na highlighter. So yeah, it's quite late. It's 4 o'clock p.m. and I'll get back to you guys later. Hey everyone! So it's been a few hours now. It is 9. It's 9:20. It's 9:20. So ganito na yung itsura ng highlights. You guys could see super ganda pa rin, guys. Mas ginawa kong medyo mas blinding siya na highlight. Pero kita nyo pa rin, it's a highlight na hindi shimmery and stuff. So this one again is Yellow Gold, Yellow Diamond, and this one is Crystal Prism. As I said, with these color tints, nagsiseparate. Like ito yung sa Colourette na Zola. Kasi naiwan ko siyang nakaganyan. So nagseparate na yung tint, tsaka yung oil. Same with the shimmer tints. Ganito yung magiging itsura niya, guys. Kita nyo ba yan? Ito yung oil, tas ito yung tint. Yellow Diamond and Crystal Prism. So, ganun yung magiging itsura niya, guys. So, I actually applied the Crystal Prism on top of naka-powder na, and seems to be working okay. Pero tinest ko siya sa back of my hand. Medyo nalilift niya yung foundation kapag may powder na, which is nothing surprising naman. That usually happens if you put liquid on top of powder. So I suggest you do your liquid highlight first before setting your face. That's what I always do. So what I love about this highlight, it's a versatile highlight. So I know you can use this like a couple different ways, pero kasi both of these shades are kind of too light for me to use sa lids ko. Kapag masyadong light yung eyeshadow sa lids ko, parang nagko-close yung eyes ko. It's such a weird thing. Hindi ko alam kung ano ako lang yung ganon, but ganon yung nangyayari. What do I think about the Colourette Shimmertints? The Shimmertints liquid highlighters are not for everyone. I feel like hindi siya yung mabilisan na makeup. Kasi for me, if I use liquid highlight, for me, it's an extra step. While using powder highlight, kasi ganun lang. Ito, I have to think na hindi ko pa dapat i-set. Mas madaming blending ang nangyayari. Pero mostly, ang liquid highlighters just tend to look more natural. And the thing that I love about this one, pwede mo siyang i-gauge sa gusto mong mangyari sa highlight mo. Like, you can go for a very, very subtle highlight. Nakita nyo naman, una ko siya in-apply. Super subtle lang itsura niya. Parang very, very lit from within. Very, very healthy lang yung skin mo. So, if you're looking for that glass skin look, highly recommend these. Pero pwede mo rin siyang i-build up ng ganito. Yung pakak. Ganyan talaga, guys. As in, super blinding. And yeah, the thing that I love about this one, kasi isang liquid highlighter ko, medyo chunky yung shimmers. This one remains very, very subtle. Of course, kapag nilayer mo na siya, mas makikita mo yung shimmers. Pero hindi yung chunky. So, it's a very, very, very fine yung shimmers niya. Then, a few cons about this one. This one sets really, really fast. As in, pagkalagay mo pa lang, same with their Colourtints, mabilis siya mag-set. Pero like, comparing it to the Colourtints, mas mabilis mag-set itong mga shimmer tints. So, kapag dot nyo talaga guys, blend nyo agad. Kasi, nung medyo sinet ko siya ng konti, or like, parang naghintay ako, medyo nahirapan ako mag-blend, lalo sa yellow diamond. So, yeah. I tried using them with a brush, like a highlighting brush. Kapag brush yung gamit nyo guys, mas pack yung highlight agad-agad. While using your fingers, kasi mas nagme-melt siya sa skin. Isa pa yung gusto ko dito sa Shimmertints. Nagme-melt siya sa skin, guys. So, I think this is just perfect for summer. Perfect for summer. From the time that I applied this, hanggang ngayon, walang difference. As in, parang kaka-apply ko lang ng highlight. As in, pack na pack pa rin. Tapos, kapag bine-blend nyo siya, guys, ewan ko kung ako lang yun, medyo may pagka-velvet yung finish niya once it sets. I don't know if that's just me. So, ayun. I do like these. I think it's a nice versatile highlight that you can use a couple different ways on your eyes, cheeks. You can mix it in with your foundation. Maybe mix it with your moisturizer for that dewy base. But yeah, I really do like that. But again, liquid highlighters are not for everybody. And considering the applicator of this one, I'm not a big fan of it. But I do love the way it looks. Lalo nung una ko siya ni-apply, sabi ko, oh my gosh, ito na yung sagot sa glass skin dreams ko. Akala ko, sinob na siya naman dati kong highlighters. Ito na talaga yon because super versatile siya. Pwede mo na control yung highlights. So, yeah. So far, so good. So, I don't know how the other shades perform. Kasi ito lang yung 2 shades na pwede kong gamitin. So, if you're more on the fair side, highly recommend these. Kapag more on like the morena side ka, I think Tiger's Eye is really, really nice. So, again, these Colourette Shimmertints, as much as I love them, I feel like it's not for everybody. Kasi, hindi siya yung super user-friendly dahil nga sa applicator niya. That's just my opinion. When I first started like using the Colourette tints, medyo nabibigla ako agad sa pigmentation. So, syempre, pag baguhan ako, talaga matatakot ako. So, huwag kayo matakot pala dito, guys, sa mga shimmer tints ito. Very, very subtle to. So, hindi kayo mabibigla. So, highly recommend them. So, yeah. Hope you guys like my review for the Colourette Shimmertints. Again, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!